and today I'm going to show you how you can make 3 different types of slime. To start off, I'm going to show you how to make a basic slime. This is really easy. All you need are 3 ingredients.
The ingredients you'll need are some white glue, liquid starch, water, a bowl and spoon, food coloring, and a measuring cup. I really like this slime recipe because it is super simple and easy to remember. All you need is an equal amount of the 3 ingredients. I'm going to use a half a cup, but you can do more or less. And I'm going to start by putting in my glue, making sure to get as much of it into the bowl as possible. And now I'm going to add in my water, again using a half a cup. And now I'll put in some food coloring. I'm going to go with pink. And let's give that a stir. Stir, 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 stir. Get it all mixed in. And now let's add our liquid starch. Now liquid starch can be a little difficult to find. I got this at the grocery store probably a year ago and was just trying to find some more recently and couldn't. So I will also put a couple different recipes in the comments just in case you can't find it. Now once all of the ingredients are in your bowl, you can start stirring. And as you can see, it really starts to stick together pretty much immediately. And once you can lift it out of your bowl by the spoon, go ahead and pick it up and start squishing it in your hands. It's going to be really sticky at first, but the more you play with it, the more it will come together. Okay, my slime is pretty much done. It is still a little slippery. Sometimes that happens, and you could add just a tiny bit more liquid starch. But before you do that, just let your slime sit for a few minutes. Usually, that's all it needs. So I'm going to put this down, clean up, and come back to it in a couple minutes and see how it is. Okay, let's see. Yes, perfect slime. Look at that. This stuff is so much fun.
Next up is a clear glittery slime.
You will need some clear glue, liquid starch, water, a bowl with a measuring spoon, food coloring, and glitter. Just like before, you are going to use pretty much equal amounts of each ingredient. More on that in a second, but I'm going to start off by putting in my glue. I'm using 1/4 of a cup this time. And now I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of water. All right, time for the food coloring. I'm going to use orange. And some glitter. The best part, in my opinion. Now for some reason the clear glue tends to make a more rubber-like slime, so for that reason I'm going to use a little less than 1/4 of a cup of liquid starch. That way it's not too stiff. So I've poured that in and I'm going to give it a stir, and again it's going to start coming together pretty much immediately. And once I can lift it out of the bowl by the spoon, I'm going to pick it up and start squishing it in my hands. Okay, I think it's pretty much done. I'm just going to put it down for a second while I clean up, and then we'll come back to it and see how it is. All right, let's see how that turned out. Wow, perfect slime, and it is so pretty. Do you see those sparkles? It's definitely a different texture than the first one. Like I was saying, it is more rubber-like, but it is still so much fun to squish and play with.
Last but not least is my favorite kind of slime, fluffy slime, or some people call this cloud slime.
For this slime, you'll need some white glue, your liquid starch, shaving cream, food coloring, a bowl, and measuring spoon. To start out, I am going to pour a half a cup of glue into my bowl. And again, make sure to get it all in your bowl or as much as you can. And time for the food coloring. This time I'm going to do blue. So pour in a couple drops and give it a good stir. Since there's no water in here, it does take a little more time to get the glue fully colored. So, just be patient and stir, stir, stir. And now I'm going to add approximately 2 cups of shaving cream. Or not. Okay, third time is a charm. So I'm going to stir that up. Get it all mixed in. I want to make this super fluffy, so I'm just going to add a little bit more. And again, mix it up. La 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 la, stir, 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 stir. All right, now let's add our liquid starch. I am going to add 1/4 of a cup of liquid starch. So that is half the amount of glue that I used. Stir it up. And soon it will start coming together. Look at that, it's already getting fluffy. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up and start squishing it in my hands. Oh, this is such a mess, but it is so much fun. There is just something about squishing slime that is so satisfying. I love it. And there is my fluffy slime. I'm gonna go clean up and then I will be back to check on it and see how it turned out. Look at this. I love this stuff. It is so much fun to play with. I hope you guys try it out because I think you'll really like it too. Okay, now I have made a second pink fluffy slime and I am going to mix the two together. I really don't have a method. I'm just kind of rolling both of them out and lining them up and kind of twisting them together. Now, if you keep this in an airtight container, it will stay fluffy for a couple days. It will eventually start to deflate, but you'll at least have a day or two to play with it before that happens. All right, and here it is, my pink and blue fluffy slime.
All right, guys, I hope you try some of these at home. If you do, make sure to let us know how it went in the comments. And just remember, keep the slime away from the couch, the carpet, your hair, your clothes. It's best to do it outside or somewhere else that your parents won't mind getting a little bit messy. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye!